And the dire situation doesn't stop there. In Baringo, it remains a county in dire need of help because dams, wells and rivers are drying up, livestock dying, and in some places even health centers recording zero visits as residents strive for survival in the wilderness.
Mama Tala Chelugo, a resident of Barwesa, Baringo County, stares in despair at her starving and dying cow. A neighbor and her son try their best to help the cow to its feet, having spent most of the day resuscitating it.
3 cows have already died, bringing a total to 10.
Kwa village yote karibu ng'ombe 80 na kitu na saa hii hata ile utachinja kesho.
The landscape is hot, dry and parched. Their last resort now are the leaves of the ngoswet tree that livestock have now adapted to eating. If this measure doesn't work, livestock will end up in this valley, a form of animal cemetery. The rains here have failed since July 2016.
Na hiyo sisi hiyo nachota hiyo maji ng'ombe na kunywa, watu na kunywa.
Healthcare systems have now ground to a halt. Nobody has the time to split between hospital visits and the rush to find food for man and beast. Yatia dispensary here at Kipsaraman area has not been left out in the complications occasioned by the ongoing drought situation across the country.
Before the drought starts, the deliveries at least per month would be 5, but for now it has deteriorated completely due to migration.
Prior to the arrival of a water tank a few weeks ago, the situation was so dire that expectant women were required to carry gallons of water for use during delivery.
Some will bring using a 5-liter jacket, depends on availability and where they will get that water.
Wengine tu wanateseka wakisaidia nyumbani. Hasa ni shida na chakula hakuna hata.
In 2011, Kenyans came together for the Kenyans for Kenya fundraiser for famine victims, raising roughly $1 billion shillings under the Kenya Red Cross Society Emergency Response Drive. This dam was constructed using 100 million shillings from the funds. But now the 3 million litre dam has been reduced to a valley in the desert. This dam happens to be the only one serving residents of this area, and they say the last time they saw rainfall was in July 2016. They say if it doesn't rain in the next 2 weeks, all the water in this dam will be gone. Residents compete with livestock for water, whose safety is not guaranteed.
This dam has really served quite a number of people, over 40,000 people. And if you come here around midday, you will find, very high populations of livestock.
The current drought has been declared a national disaster, and the Kenya Red Cross Society has now unveiled a cash transfer system in aid of the affected, targeting 1,500 or roughly 6,000 to 7,000 people here in Tangul Bay.
They've lost their animals, they lost their basic livelihood, they are not credit worthy, and that's what they're looking for, someone to help them out of this bad spell.
According to the weatherman, Kenya is still not out of the woods regarding the drought, and these faces here are holding on to hope that help or the heavens will get them past these trying times. Mark Namaswa, KTN News, Baringo County.